Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making cheesy capsy fluffy omelette. So let's have the ingredient first. Chopped garlic, chopped onion, green chili, salt, egg, capsicum, butter. Take egg, add little salt, beat the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onion, add half teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon finely chopped green chili, beat it properly. Now add 1 teaspoon capsicum, add 1 teaspoon tomato. Now grate the cheese, approximately 2 teaspoon of processed cheese, beat it again. Take a bowl, add chopped capsicum, approximately 2 teaspoon of chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon of chopped onion. Now pour the egg mixture, approximately 2 teaspoon of capsicum. Now grate 2 teaspoon of processed cheese, add 2 teaspoon of chopped tomato. You can use red bell pepper also. Now add half a teaspoon of butter. And your cheesy capsy fluffy omelette is ready. Thank you.